Hi friends, welcome to the part 2 in probability concept. It is related to coins. Very interesting topic. See, if I tossing one coin, then what are the possible outcomes? Either head or tail. If I tossing only one coin, then S sample space equal to H comma T. How many outcomes? Two outcomes. If I tossing two coins, then head tail, tail head, tail tail. How many possible outcomes? 4. For suppose if I tossing three coins, then what are the outputs? H, comma, tail, tail. H, tail. Here T, H. Next H, T, H. And here H, T. How many possible outcomes? 8 possible outcomes equal to 8. Here, in the case of one coin, 2 outcomes. In the case of 2 coins, 4 outcomes. In the case of 3 coins, 8 outcomes. And in the case of 4 coins, 16 outcomes will be there. See here, we can write this as 2 power 1. And this as 2 power 2, 2 square. And this is 2 cube. 1 coin, 2 power 1. 2 coins, 2 square. 3 coins, 2 cube. For suppose 10 coins, then 2 power 10. If n coins are tossed, then total number of possible outcomes will be 2 power n. Now see first question in coins concept. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then find the probability of getting 2 heads. See here, sample space when 2 coins are tossed. HH, HT, TH and TT. Total 4 means 2 square. Okay, here question is if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then find the probability of getting 2 heads. P of E, here event is getting 2 heads equal to 2 heads means how many possible ways? Only 1. Number of possible ways of event can occur. Only one way. So 1 by total number of possible outputs are 4. Total number of possible outcomes 4. So answer is 1 by 4. See next question. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then find the probability of no head. Probability of no head. Here no head means all are tails. Yes or no? So there is only one possible way. So here P of E equal to 1 by total 4. 1 by 4. Same. Do you want to write a sample space for 3 coins? How many outcomes are there? Total 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. No need to write a sample space for those. Again, I want to explain these 2 questions without using this sample space. See, first question. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then find the probability of getting 2 heads. Getting 2 heads. 2 coins are tossed. So, simply write 2 coins are tossed. So, 2. To get 2 heads means 2C2. Here this 2 is for 2 heads by total number of outcomes 4. 2C2 value is what? NCN is 1. So 1 by 4. That's it. Without using and without writing this sample space, we can directly solve this type of questions. This is very important method. Otherwise, there is a lot of time waste to write this sample space. out 2C2. Here I mentioned 2 is for 2 heads. Why this 2 is for only heads, not for tails? Is this your doubt? Very good. If you want to find out 2 tails or 2 heads, question is anything, answer is the same. For suppose in the place of heads, find out 2 heads, then same 2C2, then that 2 is for 2 tails. 2C2 by 4. Now coming to second question. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, find the probability of no head. Probability of no head means all are tails. Yes or no? All are tails means both are tails. So 2 tails, getting 2 tails. When 2 coins are tossed, so 2 coins are tossed, getting 2 tails means 2C2. Now here 2 is for tails by 4. 2C2 is 1 by 4. Now see third question. 3 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting all are heads. 3 coins are tossed. So 3C, all are heads. All are heads means 3 are heads. So 3C3. 3C3 by 3 coins are tossed. So 2 cube equal to 3C3. This 3 is for heads. Okay. 3C3 means 1. 2 cube means 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. If you want to write the sample space for 3 coins tossed. Then find out. You get only 1. That is all are heads. Next, fourth one. If 3 coins are tossed, then find the probability of at least 2 tails. Find the probability of at least. See here, word is at least. Very important. If you find out at least, then minimum to maximum. Remember this, min to maximum. Here at least 2 tails. So minimum is 2. 3. 2 comma 3. 2 tails or 3 tails. Why? Because here 3 coins, only 3 coins are tossed. For suppose if 5 coins are tossed, then 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Min to max. Now see the solution. 3 coins are tossed, getting at least 2 tails. So here 3C2 or means here use a plus symbol. 3C3. 3C2 or 3C3. For or use plus and for and use into multiplication. I have already explained it in combinations topic. 3C2 plus 3C3 by total number of outputs 2 cube. Here 3C2 is nothing but 3C1, that is 3 plus 3C3 is nothing but 1 by 8. 4 by 8, that equal to 1 by 2. Now see fifth question, very important question, fifth one. 4 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting at least 1 head. 4 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting at least 1 head. At least 1 means min to max. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 because 4 coins are tossed. So at least 1 head. So 4C1. Here 1 means for head. Or means here plus symbol. 4C2 or 4C3 or 4C4 by how many coins? 4 coins. So 2 power 4. That equal to 4C1. 4C1 means 4 plus 4C2. 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 plus 4C3. NCR is nothing but NC and minus R. So 4C3 equal to 4C1. 4C1 is nothing but 4 plus 4C4 equal to 1 by 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16 equal to here 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 by 16. What is the answer? 15 by 16. This is first method. I want to explain same question in second method. 4 coins are tossed. So at denominator value is 16. 2 power 4, that is 16. Find the probability of getting at least one head. At least one head means if all are tails. If all are tails means here T, T, T and T. This is not in that event. Yes or no? Find out at least one head. So subtract this event from total events. Here P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. Probability of occurrence of an event and probability of non-occurrence of an event equal to 1. So here P of E means at least one head. Now see P of E equal to 1 minus P of E bar, that equal to 1 minus P of E bar means non-occurrence of an event, means there is only one way, that is all are tails. So 1 by probability. Probability means here for 4 coins, that is 16, equal to 15 by 16. Okay, this is answer. Follow which is better to you. This is second method. Now see sixth question. Find the probability of getting 3 heads when 7 coins are tossed. 7 coins are tossed. Probability of 3 heads. P of E equal to 7 coins are tossed. 7C3. 3 heads. Okay. 7C3 by 2 power 7. Here this 3 is for getting 3 heads or getting 3 tails. Answer is the same. Don't be confused. Okay. That equal to 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 power 7. 2 power 5 is 32. For suppose see here 2 power 5 is 32 into 2 square means 4. 3 into 2 is 6. Cancelled. Now 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35 by 32 into 4 is 128. 35 by 128. Directly if you know the result of 2 power 7, write 128. Otherwise simplify and find out the value. 35 by 128 is the result. Second sub question in sixth one. Exactly 2 heads when 5 coins are tossed. Exactly 2 heads means 2 heads. So 5 coins are tossed. 5C2 by how many coins? 5 coins. So 2 power 5. That equal to 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 by 32. And this 2 is cancelled how many times? 16 times. So here answer is 5 by 16. Now see third sub question. At least 5 heads when 6 coins are tossed. At least means minimum to maximum. 5 comma 6. Okay. So here 6 coins are tossed. So 6C5 plus or 6C6 by 6 coins are tossed. So 2 power 6. Now 6C5 is nothing but 6C1 6 and plus 1 by 2 power 6 64. That equal to 7 by 64. Now see fourth sub question. In sixth question, very important. At least 2 heads when 7 coins are tossed. At least 2 heads when 7 coins are tossed. At least means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Min to max. 7 coins are tossed. 7C2 plus 7C3 plus 7C4 plus 7C5 7C6, 7C7 whole by 7 coins are tossed, so 2 power 7. Simplify this, then you will get answer. Or here at least 2 heads when 7 coins are tossed. Other than these values, there are two values 0 and 1. At least two heads. Total probability is 1. So 1 minus 7C0 plus 7C1 by how many coins? 7 coins. 2 power 7. This is also answer for this question. Now see last sub question in this sixth question. At most 2 heads when 8 coins are tossed. At most 2 heads. Here see the word at most. At most means from 0 to that particular number. 0, 1, 2. But at least means from that number to max number. And at most means from 0 to that particular number. 0, 1 and 2. Here at most 2 heads where 8 coins are tossed. So 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2 by 2 power 8. I hope you understand all these questions. Very important and very interesting topic. In next video, I want to explain same coins concept in different way in easiest shortcut. Please do watch next part also. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. If you understand this concept, please hit the like button and subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.